Hey guys, it's Old Man Wags talking to you today about downstream injectors. Now I already know I'm going to get a lot of hate for this online, so we're just going to clear the air. An X-Jet or an M-Jet is still considered a downstream injector. Why is that? Well, let's think about the phrase downstream. What it refers to is downstream of the high pressure pump. So if our high pressure pump is here, we have our hoses, we have our gun jet, we have our nozzle. In this case, that is where our X-Jet or our M-Jet goes. That would still count as a downstream injector because it's downstream of that high pressure pump. Now that we've cleared that up, let's talk about what makes the M5 or the X-Jet head unique. What we have here is a standard quick disconnect plug. This basically is going to allow us to mate with just about any of the industry standard gun jets or lances that you're going to come up with. We have a 3/8 hose barb on the inlet, which means that this is going to already pull more than the 1/4 inch hoses that are on your standard inline downstream injector. The next thing about the M-Jet is we do have this adjustable head, which allows us to basically twist and adjust from a high shot to a low shot, or in other words, a solid bead to an open fan. The next part about this is the metering tips that come with it. What those allow you to do is regulate or restrict how much chemical you're drawing through that hose itself, and then allow you to mix that with your solution. Now, one of the things that makes this unique and still an appropriate tool for the industry is because this has no moving parts. There's no check valve in this, unlike a standard inline injector, which basically means you've opened this up to basically clear the flow for a lot more soap to come through. When we release the trigger, because this is after the trigger, there's no flow moving, which means that the chemical pool will then stop in theory. And basically from there, you have the highest draw possible with a standard type of inline injector or a downstream injector in this case. When it comes to some of the specialty injectors that they've come out with nowadays in more recent times, yes, there are exceptions to what's going to pull more, but generally speaking, this is your most durable. This would be your cheapest entry level into excessive soap draw or more in-depth chemical draw. This is available on dirtkiller.com. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section below. Let's kill some dirt.